Our work has been focused on making high-performance, very compact vision sensors for robotics and distributed sensor networks, but a primary focus has been on providing vision-based technology that allows a small drone, a really tiny one about this size, to fly in an indoor environment without GPS, basically hover in place, see and avoid, detect obstacles and avoid them, and things along those lines in all light levels. There are actually a number of applications that we're thinking of. So the surveillance is one typical application, or observing what's inside of a room, perhaps having the drone fly in and get information about an area before people can enter it. Those are some of the applications that you can think of that are pretty obvious in the needs of the warfighter. Other types of applications that we envision could be, for example, you could outfit them with chemical sensor. Could you detect and home in on some sort of noxious substance by the plume? I brought 2 of our nano drones, complete nano drone systems, and each nano drone, it's basically it's an off-the-shelf nano quadrotor platform that we have modified by adding our own sensors and electronics. So we're basically testing and showing an entire drone system. This has cameras for stability and obstacle avoidance. It does not have cameras to record video that the warfighter might use. So we're still working on more of the autonomy technology. What I brought was a platform that would let the warfighter play with it, see if they can fly it, and give me feedback on what they like, what they don't like. I'm an engineer. All of the ideas I talk about, those applications, those are more ideas or hypotheses, ways we think, and they have not really been tested with reality. And there's a saying, in the military, no battle plan survives first contact with the enemy. In the same way, for technology like this, no idea of how you think a technology may be used survives first contact with harsh, brutal, but honest reality. I think it's been very helpful so far right now. I'm learning that there are things that are nice about the technology, and that there are things that need a lot of improvement, especially in the context of a more realistic scenario or more realistic site like this. So I'm very happy to have been here, and I will certainly come back for future events. If you're developing, say, a specialized sensor for say a missile, then an event like this might not be very helpful. But if it's anything that the warfighter might actually have contact with or use, without a doubt, an event like this really is very much worth the effort and time coming.